From the vulnerability side of the equation, we're also seeing that when we say vulnerabilities, we don't just mean CVEs, which are what people typically think about from the IT side, right? Really, those traditional CVEs are just a small portion of vulnerabilities when we get to OT systems. We also have to think about, are there internet exposed devices? So do we have a smart transmitter that, in addition to communicating in the network, has a remote interface that people can connect to? Um, do we have any wireless access devices or interfaces for the site? Do we know all of our remote access connections? Are we still using default passwords, which for any of the control systems are very easy to find online? Are we using outdated accounts? Do we have legacy devices? So when we talk about vulnerabilities, we have to think about all of these areas. And really, we want to think about what can we do to limit the attack surface, or basically the vulnerabilities that attackers can get to and can use. And so the more connected devices we have, the more open interfaces we have, the more users we have, the greater our attack surface area is going to be. And if we think about it, as we add more cloud connections, as we add more smart devices, smart sensors, we are continuing to grow the attack surface area with these new technologies. So we have to adjust our defenses accordingly.